Hello everyone, this is Lasya from the 7th Girls in Coding Academy. Now I am going to say about ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor is a device used for finding the distance between the sensor and the object. For finding the distance, we need two parts. One is transmitter and one is receiver. Transmitter is used to transmit the rays and receiver is used for receiving the rays. And here you can see the image of ultrasonic sensor. Here you can see 4 pins: VCC, ground, trig and echo. VCC is positive power supply and ground is negative power supply, and trig is works like transmitter and echo is works like receiver. This is the circuit diagram of interfacing the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino Uno. Here the VCC is connected to the 5 volts and ground is connected to the ground, and trig is connected to the digital pins 3 and echo is connected to the digital pins 2. And this is the code in white setup. For writing a code, we need two parts. One is white setup and one is white loop. This is all written. This is the code part in white setup and this is the code part in white loop. Using this code, you can work the ultrasonic sensor. Thank you.